Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To troubleshoot a Samsung Smart TV not updating, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, greater than Support, greater than Software Update, and select Update Now. If an update fails, reset your internet router and try again. If issues persist, perform a factory reset by navigating to Settings, greater than General, greater than Reset. Enter your PIN, default is 0000, and confirm the reset. This should resolve most update issues and restore default settings.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.